Grand Rapids Public Museum is a proud partner of School News Network. The Fashion and Nature exhibit examines the relationship between the natural world and the fashion industry, inspiring and educating visitors to become better consumers.
I love Van Andel, and every student should do this because it's the most fun they'll ever have.
This project was so much fun, and I learned so much.
Reading about it in books isn't really the same as actually going out and doing it, so this was really fun for me to do.
We are here at the Van Andel Institute for Education, and we are currently doing our Ecosystem Diversity program, where students are learning about ecosystems and how it impacts human health. The After-School Cohort is really focused on two different strands. We have a human innovation strand, and then we have a biodiversity strand. And so for the past 14 weeks, they have been learning about different ecosystems, and really looking at how those ecosystems can impact us and how we can impact them.
This is my first time taking a cohort like this. I learned about different things that our ecosystem provides for us. I know it provided us resources, but I didn't really know that it provided us that cultural beauty.
My question is, how much carbon dioxide and oxygen do deciduous forest plants produce?
My question was, how does pH affect plant growth? I found out that a higher pH makes the plants grow taller. My question was, how does pollution affect the growth of Wisconsin fast plants? Pollution does affect them in various ways: health, strength, growth.
For my question, what kind of roots are the best at preventing erosion? Here, there's no I wish I could do it because you're actually doing it, and I think that's really fun.
We get to put animals into the ecosystems, and we also get to build them. And so it's fun to build them because you get to build them with partners.
One of the fortunate things that we can do here at Van Andel Institute, we have the freedom to explore some of those topics that you might not be able to tackle in the classroom. We really want them to walk away thinking, you know what, I can make an impact in the ecosystem. I have a role in the health of the ecosystems around me. We also try to make it a family affair. We want the students to leave here, and we want them to be excited about science and talk with their families about what they're doing.
Uber proud of her.
Very, very proud. Very impressed.
For her to get the chance to work collaboratively with other kids and practice that sort of collegiality and taking turns and shooting ideas off of each other was so valuable.
Seeing is believing. That's really what it comes down to, and you get to actually experience the science opposed to just hearing about the science. I'm very proud. This is my champ.
The cohort is a completely free program. If you are a student or you are a parent and you are looking for something to engage your student in that is hands-on, that is exciting and meaningful, the After-School Cohort program at Van Andel Institute for Education is the place to be.